For centuries, cultures across the globe have embraced the power of smudging. This ancient ritual, often involving the burning of dried herbs, is believed to cleanse spaces and purify the air. Among the various herbs used, sage stands out as a particularly potent and revered option. Its distinct aroma and purported cleansing properties have made it a staple in spiritual and medicinal practices for generations. Smudging, at its core, is about creating a harmonious environment. It's about clearing away negative energy and inviting in positivity. While the practice may seem mystical, recent scientific studies have shed light on the very real benefits of smudging, particularly with sage. These studies suggest that the practice isn't just about spiritual well-being, but also holds tangible benefits for our physical health and the spaces we inhabit. The resurgence of smudging in recent years speaks to our innate desire to reconnect with nature and embrace holistic well-being. It's a testament to the enduring wisdom of ancient traditions and their relevance in our modern world. As we delve deeper into the science and spirituality of smudging, we uncover a fascinating interplay between ancient practices and modern scientific understanding. The fragrant smoke produced by burning sage is not merely a sensory experience, it's a powerful tool for air purification. Research suggests that sage smoke can effectively neutralize airborne bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This antimicrobial effect is attributed to the presence of compounds like rosmarinic acid and other essential oils in sage. Studies have shown that burning sage can significantly reduce airborne bacterial counts for up to 24 hours. This natural disinfection method has been traditionally employed to cleanse spaces after illness or to prevent the spread of infections. The ability of sage smoke to purify the air we breathe underscores its practical applications in promoting a healthy living environment. The mechanism by which sage smoke purifies the air involves negatively charged ions. These ions attach themselves to positively charged pollutants, effectively neutralizing them and clearing the air. This process not only removes harmful microbes, but also helps improve air quality by reducing dust and allergens. The science behind sage's air-purifying properties provides a compelling reason to consider incorporating this ancient practice into our modern lives. The use of sage transcends geographical boundaries, with its significance deeply rooted in diverse cultures worldwide. Native American traditions hold sage in high regard, using it in ceremonies to cleanse individuals, objects, and spaces of negative energy. The aromatic smoke is believed to carry prayers to the heavens, fostering a connection with the spiritual realm. In various Asian cultures, sage is burned as incense, its purifying smoke believed to promote clarity, focus, and spiritual awareness. The practice of smudging with sage is seen as a way to restore balance and harmony, aligning oneself with the natural rhythms of the universe. The widespread use of sage across different cultures highlights its universal appeal as a tool for spiritual well-being. From ancient rituals to modern practices, sage continues to play a vital role in spiritual and cultural traditions globally. Its enduring presence across generations and continents speaks to its profound impact on human consciousness and our innate desire for connection, purification, and spiritual growth. All right, let's walk through the process of smudging step by step. First, gather your materials, sage, a fireproof bowl, and a lighter or matches. Next, light the sage until it starts to smoke. Gently blow out the flame, allowing the sage to smolder. Now, move the sage around your space or person, focusing on areas that need cleansing. Remember, intention is key. Visualize the smoke absorbing negativity and releasing it. Finally, extinguish the sage in the fireproof bowl, and there you have it, a simple yet powerful ritual to cleanse and purify. Smudging is more than just a ritual. It's a practice that harmonizes the body and mind. When you engage in smudging, you create a moment of mindfulness. The act of lighting the sage, the smell of the smoke, and the intention behind the ritual all work together to center you. This practice can reduce stress, improve focus, and promote emotional balance. It's a way to reconnect with yourself and your surroundings, fostering a sense of peace and well-being. The benefits of smudging are not just anecdotal. They are being studied more and more in scientific communities. Researchers are exploring the antimicrobial properties of sage smoke, as well as its effects on mood and cognition. Preliminary studies suggest that smudging can purify the air and even boost mental clarity. As interest in holistic health grows, so does the field of study surrounding smudging. It's fascinating to see how ancient practices are being validated by modern science. So why not embrace the power of smudging in your own life? Whether you're looking to cleanse your space, improve your mental well-being, or simply create a moment of peace, smudging offers a simple yet profound solution. Give it a try and see how it can transform your environment and your state of mind. Remember, this age-old practice is accessible to everyone, and its benefits are just waiting to be discovered. Embrace the tradition and let the power of smudging bring harmony and clarity to your life.